What's up, y'all? I'm back working on the 94 Caprice, dressed up like an Impala. So the car is still running. It's a process. So I took a sample, you know what I'm saying, like I work for the geological service, and this is what the gas looks like. So that's gas is in the light. So I've been running it probably about 2 hours, just trying to get that gas out, because I feel like I'm gonna still change that fuel pump anyway. But this is what the gas looked like at the bottom of the tank. So I'm on my second filter of the day. So basically, like, you know, every couple hours I'm changing out the filters. I bought all the ones they had at the AutoZones in my area in the rallies. So that's the plan here. Treating it like it's an old school. So yeah, this is the gunk that was trying to get the car started. So the Octane Booster got this stuff into something that was workable. So that's just my update for now. And you know, this is the car. So to keep the revs up, I got this right here at the gas pedal right there, just to keep the revs a little bit higher, to get the sitting on the side of this house. So yeah, wish me luck. Thanks for everybody in the Impala SS forum. Appreciate that. And I didn't find the 9C1 on the tag, so I don't know if that trunk is from something else. I'm looking for the VIN and the codes and stuff, and I haven't been able to find it so far. But yeah, I got the floor shifter, the kits, the seats. I guess as far as I was concerned, it was Impala, but you know, the registration did say Caprice, and I'm going from there.